Hi, today we are going to edit the Wilson home entertainment system, and we are going to use this file to this file here, and we are going to use this file to complete all the steps. So we start with the second step, since the first one is just to enable editing. So we are going to start from step 2 to E, and let's get into it. So open our file like that. And then it says you're going to click the cash flow like I've done, and consolidated the summary. So we don't click on this one to check, then we're going to click on this one and this one to check, and then we're going to consolidate summary. So what we are being asked is we're going to highlight from B4 to B12 like that. We're going to click on data here, and we're going to click on consolidate. Click on consolidate here like that, and we want the function, make sure that the function here is sum, and for the reference we are going to click on the first one here, and we're going to hide all of this like that. Click here, add, then click on Champaign and highlight all of this up to there, add, and Rockford, click on add since they are the same, add, and when you have done that one, just click OK, and with that you can see the values has been added there. The next step says step E is to use the sum function. So you come here and type is equals to sum, and then highlight all of this up to here and press enter. And with that, we have been able to do step 2 successfully. And now we are going to step 3, which is to build a static consolidation by category. So the first thing is to delete. So we're going to highlight A16. Highlight A16 to 822 like that. A16 to 822, and then you're going to delete. Open your keyboard and press delete that, and you have deleted that one. The next step is to use left column to consolidate, and then we're going to sort the data in cash flow, banking section in ascending order. So to complete this one, we're going to highlight column A and B, that is A16 to B22 like that. Highlight all of this, then click on data, and then click on consolidate here. And for the reference, you want to start with this one here. I write all of this up to here. The first thing you have to remove this one that were added to the area. Delete this one first. Delete. Then for the reference, we are going to start with this one, and we are highlighting the column D and E, that is D42 to E10. Click add. Then click on the next one, Champaign, and we are going to highlight this one, A15 to B21. Click add, and then on the Rockfield, you're going to click on this one and click yes, add. You can see it's already highlighted A15 to B21 and click add. You'll be asked to click on left column, so click on left column and then click OK. And with that, you can see I've been able to do that step successfully, and you have been also told to sort the data by ascending order. So we click on sorting, and we are going to use the cash flow from banking. Click there, A to Z, then say OK. That one is not done, and then we are going to use the sum function. So come here and type is equals to sum, open the brackets, and highlight all of this and enter. and you can see the function has been done. So we are going to step, so that is step 3 is done. Highlight this one, all of it is done. Oh, we are left with step F. To create additional or sum formula to show the. For me, I use the sum formula, so I will come here. Sorry, and I've been told to here. Then we're going to use the sum function. I will say equal sum. Then open the PL and then click on cash balance at the beginning. Click here, comma, click the next one, and you want this one, comma, click on the next one, and you want this one, and press enter. And with that, we have been able to do step 3 successfully. You can confirm from your results to ensure that all the values are correct. So I'm done with step 3. Now we are going to step 4, which is over the display. So we're going to select over the highlight all the cells, highlight all of them here. Plus control, highlight these ones too, up to there. Then and this is 3, like that. After you highlight them, we are going to click on the number tab, home, click on home, number tab here, and we're going to click on currency, and we want them to have 0 decimal places, and we want them to have negative, this one, like this one, that has brackets or parentheses, and we're going to click OK. Go back there, let's do it again. So you have to do twice, like that. No, sorry, you have to just do one. So you click on currency, make sure it's like that, and then OK. Make sure that it has this one. So it's currency, then the parentheses, and make sure it's not just decimal places. So step 4 is done. Now we are going to step 5. We are going to insert a picture from a file. So the first thing is to set the row height to that 5. So you're going to highlight these 2 rows. So click here, control, and click the next second one, like that. And then right click, come here to where it says, let's do like this. Let's highlight like that and highlight the second one. And then come here to row height. And we want them to be that 5, type that 5 like that. And type OK. Click OK. Then click on column 8. Right click. And you want the width to be 46. So type 46. Then we want column B, highlight column B. And for column B, we want the width to be 30. So you are going to type 30 there and press OK. 30 and OK. Then we're going to insert a picture. They want the picture to appear here. So I will click here. And we want to insert the picture. So click on insert. Click on illustrations. Click on pictures. This device. And then you're going to select where you saved your file. I saved mine on desktop. So click on desktop here. And it's here, and I'm going to click OK. That we have been told to change the height to 75. So I just highlight here and I type 0.75, enter, and then I'm going to position limit to render the border. So it must be appear at B1 and B2. So it has to appear somewhere around here. So I'll highlight it and I'll put it somewhere there like that. And we are done with that step. So that is step 5. Now I'm going to step 6. Here I am going to insert a special character. Select cell A1, on the formula bar, insert a trademark TM. Yes, and then I change the font to 26. So I'm going back to my file and click here. And here, place the cursor after S, then click on insert. We want symbols. Click on symbol. And you want special character. And you want this one, the trademark. Click on trademark and then click insert. Like that, and then close it. Close here. Then highlight it, and you want to change the font to 26. Click on home, highlight the TM, and then click on home. Click on drop down arrow and select 26 here. So with that, you're done with step. That step is done. Step 6, highlight it that it's done. Now we are going to step 7. So step 7 says we are going to assign stocks via data to type 2. So we're going to click the evidence sheet. Click on this sheet, this one here. And then I've been told to select A4 here, select A4 to A10, and we're going to format as a table. Click on format as a table, and I've been told to use white table style medium 1. Click here, it's there. And don't mark this one, my table has header, don't mark it, leave it blank like that, and click OK. With that, we are going to do the next step, which is to highlight A5 to A11 and assign stock data type. So we're clicking on A5 to A11 like that, and I'm going to click on data, and then here where you see data types here, click on this arrow and then click on stocks. And as you can see, the stocks appear here. The next part after assigning the stocks, which is step 8A, is to add price. So I'm going to click on A5 here. Click on this part here, this one. Click on it and drag down to find price. Price is here and click it. I will do the same. The right, and I want industry. Yeah, this one this should be price. I don't know why it's giving things. For you, it should automatically appear as price. So I just change it to price. Yes, and then here I've been told which is step A4, name and exchange. Highlight this one, name, exchange and taker, and then come to A4 here. On the formula bar here, highlight this column 1 and type like that. The next thing is to format. Double click here. You see between A and B, double click it. Come here between B and C, double click it, and double click it, and then you save your work by pressing Ctrl S. And with that, you have been able to do that one successfully. See you soon in the next project. Thank you.